Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about like nano car spray for cars, or you can say nano spray for cars. So you should use this product or not, and I know very well you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media account like this product will give you amazing results and all. So what are the problem? So you should use this product. Is this really worthy? Let's talk about on this product. So you can see over here this product is available in India, okay, and you can see the price is only $10, okay, and you can see the price is only like $4 to $5 on this website, okay, and this website is also selling this product in the price point of like you can say $7 to $8, okay. So as you can see, this product is also available on amazon.com, and you can also see the pricing are very different. On each and every seller is also selling same product with different price, and you can see the ratings are very bad about this product. So you should not try this product. All videos, or you can say all the advertisement you have seen on your social media platforms, all are AI generated and full edited videos, and all are you can say affiliate product, and all are you can say dropshipping product, and when you purchase the product it will not work for you, and you are going to regret after buying the product, because the product will not going to work for you, because all are just you can say selling their product, and once you receive the product you cannot return your product, okay. So you are going to face lots of challenge while returning your product, and you are going to face lots of issues while purchasing this product and after purchasing this product, okay. So this is the information. Now rest depends on you. You should use this product or not. It's totally depend on you. I have provided each and every proof about this product. Now you can make your own decision. You have to use this product or not. It depends on you, okay. So if you are agree with my points, then please hit a like button, and if you have any experience you can share your experience in our comment box, okay. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.